Powerpack V2 basically contains two propeller and a list of electronics component. This is you have CF28. I will check and see this motor. We have Emax CF2822. You can observe. See, electronics component are very important when you are designing a plane. So CF2822, right? It is a Emax propeller. You can see. So we have prof saver, and in Powerpack V2 you will find the two extension also, which is used in our slow flyer. Two extension cable, and we have a this JST connector, which is required to our Emax 12M PSC, that we have to connect to this to go to the LiPo, right? JST connector. Then we have two 3.7 gram micro servo, 3.7 gram micro servo, and we have 900 milliampere to 1000 to 500 milliampere battery. You can choose according to your, and this is JST connector will exactly fit, comes from ESC, it will fit here. So that I have done already. I will show you. This is the two propeller. We also need this Powerpack. So once again I am explaining. We in Powerpack V2 we will find CF2822 with we have prof saver, and we have 900 to 500 milliampere battery, but it will come 900 milliampere battery. Two micro servo, 3.7 gram servo, and we have two extension, and we have a JST connector which is going to 12M PSC. It is not there, and we have two propeller. So same thing I have done here. See, this is the motor mount. You'll get for particular, this is used for slow flyer. So I have taken these three wires and I insert here, and then because this Powerpack V2 I used in slow flyer, so in order to avoid the less weight, I directly connect solder these two. You can use 2 mm bullet connector to connect this 12M ESC, right? And regarding this JST, I told this JST is connected here to power of this to connect this LiPo, right? So this is all about Powerpack V2. If you change any electronics, if you are designing for a slow flyer, then you may not get out that much property, because here the plane weight is very small and you are taking a propeller of 10 cross 4.5, a slow flyer propeller. Okay, let's jump to make this Powerpack with plane. Now you will go for attaching the Powerpack V2. You can go through the below link. What is the Powerpack V2? The electronics component belongs to Powerpack V2. So what I will do, I will remove the wings. So carefully you should remove the wings, because the rubber are new and it is very much tight. So right, so keep the wings one side. First I will attach the motor, then you will go for attaching the servo, because these are not attached only, the servo are completely free, the rudders, elevators. So here you can observe there is a block marking. It is 50% cut actually. So just cut it completely. Right, hold it like this, cut it completely. Actually it is 50% cut, that's why it is not that much, you will not face that much problem to remove this part. Okay, so take this out, this piece. Now later on you can use sellotape to place this. Then this Powerpack I have used 10 cross 4.5 blade with 2 prof saver. Okay. This we have already I told. This is the power pack B2 motor, 10 cross 4.5 blade. Now you cannot use any nut bolt because we are concerned about less weight. So that's why in the kit you will find before this zip wire. You can take like this. See, place it any one and insert any one arbitrary like this. And then there is two options. You can go for any one, right? Like this, and then insert the other side. See, try to make this on the top. This have to come out from outside, like this. Then you, so it is a process of how you can apply this zip wire, right? Now you can see one side it is attached, slightly you can attach. Similarly you can go for attaching the other ZI wire, the zip wire. In the other middle I have taken, there is another two options to this, so I can go with these options, right? You can use this wire also. See, it have to hold, but the thrust produced is very less, around 400 gram, so it will not create any problem to this zip wire. Okay, so I have used this two wire like this and tied it. If you want, you can use more, the extra you can cut. See, this also it is coming out, so make it tight, and you have to use under two here. Same way I told, you can go through this manner and pass from other side, right? Apply this, and it's very simple. See, like this I have attached 1, 2, 3. Another one is here. You can take it, right? You can go through this. So just take it outside a little bit. Once you have to try, right? So I have attached all four. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. All four I have attached. See, in this side also from one hole like this zigzag manner, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? And you have to tight now. Make it tight in all. Don't use any nut bolt, that will provide you more weight. So the excess amount you can cut, you can take a and cut it the excess amount like this. Be careful with this ESC and ESC wire. You should not cut those ESC wires. So here I have cut all the four wires, you can see. So next what you have to do, I have to place it exactly in the center. So I will take this two, right? Now see, this housing will be exactly matched to this part, right? Like this. Okay, so here I have to use the glue all around. If it is already I have used, so this is a new one, you will find like this. So place this anyway, you can place like this or like this, it doesn't affect anything. So I will hold it here, use the glue. See, if I want to put it here, this is my bottom side. From bottom side I have to start like this, okay? So here you have to use the glue. take a little bit more glue. Okay, then go on attaching this. Press it, right, and hold it for few minutes. It will stick, right. So whenever it don't use, no need to use more glue, because whenever you want, if you slightly pull, it will come out. But since the pull force is 400 gram, do not try to break this fuselage. So in the corner also a little bit you place. This corner also. This corner and little bit top corner also you can place. Okay. Hold it till it dry. Fine. Now hold it till it dry.